us, Bernie, forever and ever and ever. This well-trained animal, this well-trained animal, on the stool 'cause I put him there. He's staying on the stool 'cause I put him there. I'm shaking his favorite toy and he's still sitting on the stool. Still sitting on the stool and 'cause he's a good boy. I'm shaking his favorite toy and he's still not moving off the stool. 'Cause he's a good boy and he won't move till I tell him. 'Cause he's hypnotized by my love. He does what he should. Do you want to come and play with your ball? Come on, Bernie, you can do it. You run all over the house. Come on, Bernie, you can do it. Don't be shy. You follow me everywhere. But now you're sitting on that chair. What's gonna happen next, oh Bernie cat? You won't seem to. I put you there and now you won't move from there. I just rhymed it. Can you please come get this ball? Wow, you're really well behaved. Come on, it's okay. Get off. Well, maybe you're not well behaved. What if there's a fire and you still sit there on the chair? Oh, yes, I'll have to do this. You sit on the chair. Day 73. Bernie's not moved from the chair. Bernie, come on, get off that chair. Time for me to go and wash my hair. The fire alarm, the batteries I've taken out. The light bulbs are coming through. Fruition in my pupils. Bernie, it's time to wash your hair. Come on, Bernie, get off your little chair. That's for Finny to brush your teeth. Now don't be a squeak. And come on now, Bernie, wash your hair. Hey, Bernie got off the chair, everyone. Great news. Sorry for my face. Great news, everyone. Bernie got off his chair. Hey, Ricky, did you hear? Bernie got off his chair. Yeah. Bernie's got off his lovely chair. Oh no, the Globe and Mail sent me spam. The Globe and Mail sent me some spam.